Yes, good morning, beta. Now, today we will discuss chapter number 3 once again, motions of the earth. Okay? Motions of the earth, geography, chapter number 3. Yes? So now you children, you know very well, the earth has two types of motions. How many types of motions? Now, there are two types of motions. First, rotation and second, revolution. Okay? So now here, rotation. What do you mean by rotation? So the earth movement. The earth movement, the earth movement, the movement of the earth on its axis. The movement of the earth on its axis. So now it's called rotation. And revolution, the movement of the earth on its fixed path, or now you can say its orbits. So now it's called revolution. Okay? Then next point, orbital plane. What is orbital plane? So now 66 1 by 2 degree. That's make angles, triangles. Okay? It is called orbital plane. What is a circle of illumination? The circle of illumination. It means now it is divided into days and nights are in equal part on the globe. That is called a circle of illumination. What is Earth day? The period of the rotation. That is called Earth day. Next, what did happen? The Earth did not rotate. Can you answer me? Yes. So now the portions of the Earth facing the sun would always experience day. Thus, bring conditions were to the region, and the other half would remain in the darkness and be freezing cold all the time. Okay? So now our life is not possible. Yes, beta. The second motions of the earth around the sun on its fixed path, or you can say on its orbits, that is called revolution. It takes 365 days to complete one spin. And we consider a year is consisting of 365 days and ignore 6 hours for our convenience. 6 hours saved every year are added to make one day. It means 24 hours, that is make one day. This surplus day is added to the month of the February. Okay, so now February is of 29 days instead of 28 days. So now such a year, I mean that 366 days, that is called a leap year. Okay, next, seasons. How many types of seasons? There are 4 types of season: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Okay. Come to the next page, page number 20. Now you can see first paragraph and underline the point that is summer solstice. What is summer solstice? Okay. So now you can see here, you will see that on when 21st June, 21st June, the northern hemisphere 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. So now the rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. So because of this region, now these areas receive maximum amount of heat. Okay, so now these areas receive more heat. The areas near the pole receive less heat. Okay, the north pole is inclined towards the sun. So the places beyond the Arctic Circle experience continuous day-night for about 6 months, getting light from the sun. It is summer in the regions north of the equator. So it means now summer, it means now days are longer and nights are shorter. Underline the point. Okay, the longest day and the shortest night at these places on 21st June. At this time in the southern hemisphere, all these conditions are opposite. It means now winter season. Winter season. Winter means now nights are longer and days are shorter. Yes, now in winter nights are longer and days are shorter. So now this the positions of the earth is called summer solstice. Clear? Okay. Now underline the point also. Once again, now you can listen carefully. Yes, beta. So now here on 21st June. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Okay, so the rays of the sun fall directly. So now these areas receive maximum amount of heat. Maximum amount of heat. These areas receive more heat. The areas near the pole receive less amount of heat. Why? Because the north pole is inclined towards the sun and the places beyond the Arctic Circle. Is it? Arctic Circle experience continuous day-night for about 6 months. Okay? So now the northern hemisphere is getting light from the sun. It is summer in the region north of the equator. So the longest day and shortest night. it is winter season there. I mean, the nights are longer and days are shorter. Yes. So now these positions of the earth, that is called summer solstice. Come to the next, that is winter solstice. Okay, beta, what is winter solstice? So now here on 22nd, 22nd December, on 22nd December, the Tropic of Capricorn receive direct rays of the sun as the south pole tilts towards it. So now the sun rays fall vertically at the Tropic of Capricorn degrees 23 1 by 2 degree south. Okay, so now a large portions of the southern hemisphere gets light. Yes, therefore it is summer in the southern hemisphere with longer days and shorter nights. Clear? Underline the point. Southern hemisphere with the longer days and shorter nights. In the northern hemisphere, now these positions of the earth, that is called winter solstice. Winter solstice. Okay? Yes. Come to the next paragraph, that is third paragraph. Equinox. So children, now here on 21st March and 23rd September, 21st March and 23rd September. Okay? Underline the point, beta. 21st March and 23rd September, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. Okay, so now at this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. It means now here days and nights are equal. Days and nights are equal. That is called equinox. Yes, you can underline on 21st March, or now you can write on 21st March and September 23rd, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. On the equator. At this position, neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. So now the whole earth experience, are equal days and equal nights. Equal days and equal nights. So now it's called equinox. Come to the next paragraph, last paragraph beta. On 23rd September, on 23rd September, it is autumn season in the northern hemisphere and spring season in the southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, that is autumn season, and spring season, that in southern hemisphere. The opposite is the case on 21st March, when it's spring in the northern hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. So can you tell me, very important questions. There are days and nights and seasons are changes. Why? You give me answer. Chapter is completed. Okay? Yes, beta? The days and nights and seasons are changes due to the rotation and revolution of the earth. Okay? Yes. Due to the rotation and revolution of the earth. Very good. Very good answer. Thank you, beta. Thank you, children. Okay. Now you come to the question answer. We will discuss question answer first. Now answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is the angle of inclinations of the earth axis with its orbital plane? Now you can write answer 66 1/2 degree. You can come to the page number 18, second paragraph. Okay? Second paragraph, first line. The axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, makes an angle of 66 1/2 degree with its orbital. Yes. Now, next question, question number 2. Define rotation and revolution. Define rotation and revolution. So now here answer, rotation is the movement of the earth. What is rotation? Is the movement of the earth on its axis. Okay? Clear? Yes. And revolution? What is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun on its fixed path, or now you can say on its orbit. Yes, very good answer, beta. Thank you so much. Okay, so now it's clear. Rotation and revolution. Yes. Come to the next. I mean question number 3rd. What is a leap year? What is a leap year? Page number 19, second paragraph. The second motions of the earth around the sun in its orbit. That is called revolution. Okay? That is called revolution. Now it takes 365 days to revolve around the sun. To revolve around the sun. We consider as a year. As consisting of 365 days. And now we can ignore 6 hours for our convenience. Now these 6 hours saved every year are added to make 1 day. I mean 24 hours. That is make 1 day. So now this surplus day added to the month of February. Okay. So now 366 days. That is called a leap year. Yes? Okay. Yes, but our next question. Differences between summer and winter solstices. What are the differences between summer and winter solstices? Yes? Now you come to the page number 20. First paragraph. Okay? First line. You will see that on 21st June, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. So the sun rays directly fall on the Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Cancer. So now these areas receive maximum amount of heat. Okay. Second point, now you can underline the longest day and shortest nights. The longest day and shortest nights. Over. It is winter season there. The nights are longer and days are shorter. These positions of the earth, that is called summer solstice. Yes. Next, winter solstice. Second paragraph. On 22nd December, the Tropic of Capricorn received direct rays of the sun as the south pole. Underline the point. Tilts towards it. As the result, rays fall vertically at the Tropic of Capricorn 23 1/2 degrees south. Okay. So now large portions of the southern hemisphere gets light. Therefore, summer in the southern hemisphere with longer days and shorter nights. Yes. Come to the next question number 5. What is an equinox? Page number 20, third paragraph. On 22nd March and 23rd September, 22nd March, 21 March and 23rd September, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator. At this position, neither of the pole is tilted towards the sun, so the whole earth experience equal days and equal nights. This is called equinox. Yes, beta? Okay. Next, why does the southern hemisphere experience winter and summer solstices in different times than of the northern hemisphere? Page number 20, first paragraph, 7th line. The North Pole is inclined towards the sun and the places beyond the Arctic Circle. Okay? So now here the northern hemisphere is getting light from the sun. Yes? Come to the next. Why do the poles experience about 6-month day and 6-month nights? 6-month days and 6-month nights. Yes? Okay. Yes, beta. Come to the next question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Now you can see in your book. Tick the correct answer. The movement of the earth around the sun is known as first option rotation, revolution, and third indication. What is the correct answer? Revolution. Yes. Second, direct rays of the sun fall on the equator on dash 21st March option, 21st June or 22nd December. What is the correct answer? Huh? First 21 March. Okay. Yes. Third, Christmas is celebrated in summer in dash. Japan, India, Australia. What is the correct answer? Third one, that is Australia. Yes. Last, cycle of the season causes due to dash. Rotation, revolution, gravitations. Revolution. Now correct answer, that is revolution. Yes, thank you children. Thank you beta. Okay. Now come to the next question, that is fill the blanks. Now you can take your pencil. First, a leap year has how many days? Yes, hurry up, take the answer. How many days? 366 days. How many days? 366 days. Yes, correct? Okay. Okay, next fill the blanks, that is daily motions of the earth is dash. Daily motions of the earth is dash. Revolution. Very good. Darchan Meena, thank you so much. Now that is the revolution. Yes? Okay, beta. Now, third, the earth travels around the sun. It means now the earth moves around the sun in dash orbit. Yes. Tell me answer. Very good, Mamta Amina. Very good answer. That is elliptical path. Or now you can say elliptical orbit. Yes, beta. Okay. Next. The sun's rays fall vertically on the Tropic of Dash on 21st June. Yes. What is the correct answer? Very good. Correct answer is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Yes. Last one. Days are shorter during dry season. Days are shorter during dry season. Winter. Winter seasons. Yes. Correct? Very good. So now chapter is over with question answer. You can write in your textbook, notebook. Okay? And you can write some additional questions also. First, what is Earth Day? Now you can write first question. What is Earth Day? Yes. Second, what is orbital plane? What is orbital plane. Yes. Third, third, give regions, give regions, days and nights and seasons are changes, give regions, days and nights and changes in season, days and nights changes and seasons. Why? Okay? Okay, beta. Thank you so much. Okay?